we are irritated. And in my job, in particular, in our jobs, we're not really productive. So this one specific area where Panadol can really help make that super moment important and make it happen, because you now know that when life takes its place, when pain is gone, life takes its place, and you become normal again. And you'll be able to spend time with your kids, go back to work immediately, and of course, we are more productive.
And each moment is very precious, very important. You can't wait 20 minutes for that pain to go.
Definitely.
5 times faster makes the moment even something more to look forward to. No? You don't have to wait for a long time for the pain to subside.
Exactly, and that's the beauty of having a paracetamol Optizorb, because it immediately disintegrates faster than other paracetamol in the market.
That's right. Ryan, Super Ryan. I will correct myself.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're right. So aside from the TV commercial and the radio commercial, what can we all look forward to when it comes to Super Panadol?
Okay, you know what? I'm actually looking forward to using Panadol this weekend. Sir, just to give you an example of how a Super Saturday goes in our household. Super Jeff. Super Jeff. This is how a Saturday goes for us. On Saturday, I'm going to go out and run at about 5:30 in the morning. That's my schedule for Saturday. I'm going to run for 2 hours. I'm going to get home. And then I get home probably about 8:30, and then have breakfast with my kids. And then at about 10, I'm going to leave for, this time around sa akin dito Bulaga, I'm going to leave for Clark, a racetrack in Clark, the Clark Speedway. I'm gonna go and judge a drifting competition in the afternoon. And then after that, I come right back to Manila, rush right back, kasi doon ko na kakailanganin ng Panadol. You know why?
Why?
Because manonood ako ng One Direction.
Yoga.
Yes. See, that's why I'm gonna need that Optizorb right when I step foot on the MOA grounds, because I'm gonna be having fun and a super moment with Lucho and Johan and my wife. But then I'm not gonna promise I'm gonna be able to handle all the other 10-year-olds there. So Panadol with Optizorb, yan ang kailangan.
And it's in admitting na kailangan mo na to handle all the 10-year-olds.
No, don't get me wrong. I love children and I love One Direction. Pero all of them for 2 hours after a very long day, you know, I'm gonna have to rely on the superpowers of Panadol.
That's a happy super direction for you on a Saturday night.
Yes.